I'm Craig Pullman, here to talk about memory. We ask students to memorize so much from kindergarten through high school. Math facts, dates, state capitals, spelling words, formulas, definitions, procedures, etc., etc., etc. While the digital age is providing lots of memory supports, long-term memory is still a key player for academic success. A good metaphor for memory is a desk. Short-term memory is like the inbox, which fleetingly holds a small amount of information before it gets trashed or moved along. The desktop represents something called active working memory. This is where information is mentally suspended while used or manipulated in some way. Active working memory is used a lot in school, like mental math, following multi-step directions, reading extended passages, and writing. Information gets to working memory either from short-term memory, like something you just heard, or long-term memory, like something previously learned that you now need to utilize. It is like a desktop, since material gets there either from the inbox or from the filing cabinet, which represents long-term memory. Now, stuff gets filed in a cabinet, and then later it's pulled when needed. Similarly, information gets stored in long-term memory, and then it's accessed later. Some learners have trouble storing material, and extra effort or mnemonic strategies are needed. But sometimes storage isn't the problem, but rather access. One way this can be revealed is a pattern of better performance with recognition questions, like multiple choice, than free recall questions, like fill in the blank. Recognition questions provide a prompt that can help access previously stored information. Other metaphors can help students understand the various aspects of memory. One is a library. Long-term memory is like bookshelves. Books are the memories, obviously. Short-term memory is the book return bin. And active working memory is the librarian's counter, where material is temporarily stored, used, or organized. The computer metaphor works well and fits with the neurodevelopmental framework. Long-term memory is the hard drive, and active working memory is RAM, or random access memory. It's important to consider modality of information. Some students have an easier time committing verbal information to memory than visual material. For others, the reverse is true. An instructional task analysis might look at how much students' active working memories are taxed, how much and what types of information are to be memorized, and what kinds of questions are used on tests, recall versus recognition. This analysis would then point towards accommodations or strategies particular students may need for success. I'll see you next time.